Hello children, welcome back to online class. So kids, in previous class I had explained you this poem. So what is the name of the poem, children? That is books. So I hope all of you understood this poem very well. Today we are going to do its exercise, children. Okay, no need to worry about that online class. Those who couldn't attend that online class, they can see the question and answers here, okay, through this YouTube video. Okay children, so let us go. Here first one has been given as write T for true or F for false. As given before, children, here some questions has been given like write T for true and F for false. So let us see the first question. The library door asked the child to come in. Children, the library door asked the child to come in. Here you read the question and read the poem. Come in, said the library door. These first two lines, children. Library door asked, but in real, library door is a non-living thing. How it will have a voice? We normally casually think that, but here some imaginary things happened. Okay, that's why poet said that the library door asked the child to come in, and the answer is what? As given here, the answer will be true. T. Okay, already written. Next question we will see. The child saw toys and chocolates. Children, did the child see toys and chocolates in the library? No, the child saw books there. So the answer, the statement is false. So you can write F here. Next, 3 number question. Tall skinny books were kept on high shelves. Tall and skinny books were kept on high shelves. Yes children, this statement is true as given in the poem. The child sat down to draw and color. Children, do the child sat down to draw and color? The statement is true or false? Obviously this statement is false, because the child sat down to draw and color. This statement is false because the child sat down to read, okay, not to draw and color. So the statement will be false, children. Next question. The child saw a book in which pictures told stories. Yes, the child saw some books where pictures told some stories. This statement is also true. Okay, I hope all of you got the answers, children. I will write it again, no need to worry. Look at here, children. Again I had written it so that you can see it clearly. So this will be the statement's answers. Now we will see the next number. Okay, B number. Circle the words used in the poem to describe books. Children, we have to circle the words given here, those words which we saw in that poem also, okay, which described about the books, which told the size, shape and length and how the book looks. Okay, so first one is tall. Children, I have already circled it. Tall. Happy, no. Skinny, fat, black, no. Sad, no. Little, wonderful. Okay, so these are the words which have described about the books in this poem. You also circle it, children. Now we will see the grammar fun. So here something has been written. Let us read. Nouns tell us if a person or an animal is a male or female. Children, now you will have a doubt that what is the meaning of male or female. Male means boy, female means girl. Okay, that's it. You know this much, you just know this much. In higher class you will know more about it. Okay, male means boy, female means girl. Okay, so like here, son means a boy, means poor, daughter means Jio. Lion, here look at children, it is an animal. Lion is an animal. So lion and lioness. Lion means poor Singha, lioness means Jio Singha. Okay, I hope all of you understood it. Now we will do the remaining exercise related to this, male and female. MALE, male means puo mananko kuha jaye. FEMALE, female means Jio mananko kuha jaye. Okay, so man, woman, brother. What is the female form of brother, children? Brother, sister. And what is the spelling of sister? SISTER. Children, you write it inside the box. Okay, now here female form has been given, girl. What is the male form? That is boy, BOY, boy. Now we will see the male form of aunt, that is uncle, UNCLE, uncle. Okay, so look at here, children, the male form of girl is boy. Now we will see the next one. The female form is, the male form of aunt is what? Uncle, UNCLE, uncle. Okay, children, uncle, aunt. Now we will see the next one, children. That is queen. What is the female form of king? Raja, Rani. King, queen, QUEEN, queen. Okay, now we will see the next one. What is the female form of father? That is mother, MOTHER, mother. Okay, children, now we will, I hope all of you got to know about the gender. Gender means lingo, that is either boy or girl. Okay, children. Look at the question number D, children. Match the animals' pairs in the two columns. Match the animal pairs in the two columns. So here we have to match the means male animal with female animal. Okay, so what is the male form of duck? That is drake, 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 duck. Next, peacock. Peacock is a male form. And what is the female form of peacock? Peahen. Now we came to the third one, lion. What? Lioness. Next, horse, mare. Tiger, tigress. Okay, children. Drake, duck, peacock, peahen, lion, lioness, horse, mare, tiger, tigress. Okay, children. Okay, look at here, children. Write 4 sentences on what you like to do at school. Use words from the box. Okay, so let us start, children. We will make sentences with the help of these given words. So first one, I like to dash. What you like to do in school? You can write, I like to play with my friends. PLAY, play with my friends. So look at here, children. As I was feeling difficulty to write on the book with my pen, so I have typed like this so that you will feel easier to understand it. Okay, question, you look it from the book, children, page number 30. So first one, I like to play with my friends. you can write like this: I like to play with my friends at school. Second one, I like to read and write at school. Third one, I like to sing in school. Fourth one, I like to have popcorn in the recess. Okay, you write as you like, means if you want to write something instead of popcorn, you can write it, children. Okay, that's your wish, but spelling should be correct. Okay, I hope all of you got it. If you can't write this much fastly, you can pause the video, children. I think no need to tell you, so you can pause it and you can write it in the book as well as in notebook also. Okay, children, now we will see the last one, that is fun time. Here are some things you find in a library. Write their names. So first one has been written. Names. So first one is what, children? First one will be already written. So that is newspapers. Okay, first one is newspaper. Now we will see the second one. Second one is in the down, children. That is what? Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Children, as I already taught it to you in the online class, I feel that you will not get any difficulty while reading this. Okay, so third one now. Third one will be what? Magazines. M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E-S. Magazines. Okay. Now fourth one. Fourth one will be notice board. N-O-T-I-C-E. Notice. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Notice board. Children, I will do one thing here. I will put the numbers here so that you will get it easily. First one is newspaper. Second one is globe. Third one will be magazine. Fourth one will be notice board. And fifth one will be reading table. Sixth one will be bookshelf. Okay, so you just write these spellings here, children, in the blanks. Okay, that's it for today. In next class we will meet with another chapter, new chapter. Until you do one thing, you write these question and answers and exercise in your English 2 copy. Okay, have a good day, children.